Eating it. Holy cow. Yo, I should post this on your YouTube channel. Look at that. It's got like the whole bird picked up.
Did you know snakes actually are in a paralyzed state whenever they're...
It has the whole thing picked up. Where's the mom? Oh, it's on the tree. Bro.
It's paralyzed. You can get
I'm like I'm like this close.
It's in a state of paralyzed where it can't do anything because it's eating.
I know. That's like a pretty snake though. It's like black and
yeah. It's honestly cute. Even though it's eating the bird I was gonna save.
I know. Look, you wanna see it?
That's. Oh, look at the severed leg.
It's like got its head. Yeah, I could honestly edit this and post it on YouTube.
Yeah, just edit like our voices out, aren't we?
That was oh yeah, I could just put it no volume. Bro, it's
Dude, that could at least get 1,000
It's
views.
eating the whole thing. It's like the whole thing's in its mouth. Wait.
Look at the bugs trying to get it.
Bro, the bugs are on its face. It's like the whole bird's in its mouth. Holy cow. Look at this. It's also just staring at us. Look how many bugs are on it. That's gross.
Oh, look, it's swallowing it.
Oh, it's like swallowing the whole thing. Oh, dude, that's gross. Alright, start setting back. It's eating it.
Look at it's going through its body.
Yeah, I know. It's like in the middle, if you can see that.
Oh, it's going for the leg now.
Right there.
Oh, it's...
Oh, yeah, it's done. Step back. Bro, that snake.
Wait, FaceTime Mom and Dad now.
I'll just show them the video when we get home. How much battery life do I have? Oh. It ate the whole thing. Now it's just eating what's like on the ground.
That's epic. Okay, it's done. It's just searching because it's in food mode.
That's how big the snake is, but when you zoom in, it looks pretty big.
It's not that
And
big.
can you see how it's like right in that area?
It's only like a few feet long.
Yeah.
Up.
Oh, that's like, it's raising up. Yo, that's actually sick though.
You gotta post this on YouTube.
Alright. Should I end the video?
Yeah.
Alright. How do I just watch it?
I want to pet it so bad.
We're not touching it, Sean.
Can I touch the tip of its tail?
No.
Please,
No.
Mommy.
No. Oh, now it's going back to the grass.
You know what'd be weird?
What?
Somebody just shot it with a pistol right now. Dude, it's so cool.
Watch out, I'm not trying to get you in the video.
It's getting mad.
Oh yeah, that thing's getting mad. Alright, I'm gonna end this. So I'm move away so I don't have to get you in the video and I get one more shot. Go to the trees. Alright.